Hello guys, happy Sunday. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to farm gradient. So guys, gradient network is a decentralized protocol oriented mining solution. So guys, if you want to farm this project or these tokens, the first thing you will do is this. You will download Mrs. Browser. This is how Mrs. Browser looks like. This is the logo. You will download it on your Play Store or on your App Store. So guys, when you download Mrs. Browser, the search area, you will copy and paste the invite link in this search space. When you do that, you will register. So guys, don't forget this. You will register. After your registration, you will connect your X account. You will connect your Discord account. So guys, don't forget this. Now, after connecting your X account, for you to mine this project successfully, you have to stay on the platform. Don't leave the platform. You have to stay on the platform. Once you close the platform, your farming or your mining will stop. So guys, don't forget this. You have to invite your friends. You copy your invite link. You can invite your family members, your colleagues, your neighbors. So guys, when you do this, you will earn some points for doing this. Get 20 points, 10% bonus rewards. So guys, you can also send your invite link. You can send it to your friends. You can also post it on your X account. So you can copy your invite link and you can post it on your Twitter account. So guys, don't forget this. So you can check your node status. This is very important, guys. So you click on manage. When you click on manage, you check your node status. You click on this. So guys, you can see that my node status is on good. It means that my mining will be successful. So guys, don't forget, check your node status every time. So you will see the chart of your performance. This is the chart of your performance. So guys, you can always check this. Then you can also check your achievements. So when you click on view all, it will show you what you have achieved so far. So guys, these are the things, some of the things you have to achieve. When you click on completed, it will show you what you have achieved so far. Your completed achievement. So guys, mine is this. A warm welcome. A new kid on the block. So I've achieved this too so far. So guys, take this airdrop serious. If you missed out on grass, guys, don't miss out on gradient airdrop. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.